to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be trying out this hip hop deep cleansing nose strips and see how it is going to work in removing all our blackheads and whiteheads. So we are going to be trying this out, and if you would want to know how it worked and how it is working, then please keep on watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then make sure you're subscribed to my channel and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you could be a part of the Frost Squad family. And if you're wondering what my earrings are from, this is from Instagram store, and I'll leave the link to the Instagram store in the description box below for you all to check out. So let me tell you how actually you have to use this product. Thoroughly clean the face with water, ensuring that the skin is free from makeup, and wet the nose area thoroughly with clean warm water. Please note, strip will not adhere if the skin is dry. Allow the strip to dry naturally for about 10 to 15 minutes. You should feel the strip is stiff as it dries depending on humidity. Okay, so you have to stick onto your nose and wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove it off, and it says it will remove all your blackheads and whiteheads. So we are going to be trying this out and see how it actually works. So this is how actually the packaging looks. I'm gonna open this up. Okay. So once you open that up, you get this. One side is all black and the other side is white. So I'm gonna take a face towel and dip it in the warm water and just help press and open my pores. So that is what we are gonna do now. So this part of the black section should go onto your nose like so. So yeah, let's just do and see. So once you've done that, make sure your skin is like little wet so that it will stick, or else this will not stick onto your skin. So I've taken that up. I'm just gonna wet my face using some water. So this is how it will look once you have got it like nicely stuck onto your nose. You have to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and I'll look really funny like a dog. I know, but still that's okay. We are gonna deal with it. So I'm gonna leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and see how it actually works on my face. So as you guys can see, it's like looking like this now, and I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna use a toner just to close the pores back so that nothing comes away. Okay, so final thoughts on this product is like, I wouldn't say this removed all of it, but my nose feels very soft. It says you have to use it 1 to 2 times in a week, like leaving 3 days gap. And yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit on the like button, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.